Good morning students. Today we start new chapter, that is surface area and volume. In previous class we study coordinate geometry. Okay. Today we start new chapter, that is surface area and volume. So for this, first we know what is surface area and what is volume. Surface area, sum of areas of all the surface of solid figure. सरफेस एरिया की डेफिनेशन क्या होगी? सम ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ ऑल द सरफेस ऑफ सॉलिड फिगर. सपोज एनी फिगर, any solid figure may be cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, these all are solid figure, may be sphere. So any solid figure have surfaces. So sum of areas of all the surface. Any solid figure have type of surface is maybe square type, maybe rectangular. For suppose cuboid have rectangular faces. Cuboid have rectangular shape faces and cube have square faces. So surface area is what? Sum of areas of all the surface of solid figure is known as surface area. Suppose simple example. This is the face of cuboid. This is the face of cuboid because cuboid have rectangular face. Okay. So area of rectangular face, suppose this is length and this is breadth. So area is equal to length multiply breadth. This is the face of cuboid. This is the face of cuboid because cuboid have rectangular face. Cuboid have rectangular face. So area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth. So sum of areas of all the surface of solid figures. Because cuboid have 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. So first we find all the faces areas, then we find sum of there, then we get surface area. So it is clear, it means any figure have surfaces. First we find out surfaces, areas of all surfaces, and then sum, we get surface area. Area is measured in square unit. Area is measured in square unit. Square unit, if length and breadth have centimeter, suppose L centimeter and B centimeter, then area is equal to L into B. It means LB centimeter square. If these units are in meter, then we write LB meter square. So area is measured in square unit. It means we write centimeter square, meter square. We can also write square centimeter, square meter. So area is measured in square unit. Then volume. What is volume? The volume defined as the space is occupied by The space is occupied by solid is called volume. The space is occupied by solid. कोई भी solid है, वो कितना स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है उससे अपन उसका वॉल्यूम बोलेंगे. वी कैन आल्सो से दैट कैपेसिटी. वॉल्यूम is also defined as capacity. It means the space is occupied by solid is called volume. Volume is measured in cubic unit. Volume is measured by cubic unit because we find the how many space is occupied. It means we use length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height, 3 units. So volume is measured in cubic unit. It means centimeter cube, meter cube. If units are given in centimeter, then volume is measured in centimeter cube, and if units are given in meter, then we write meter cube. So these are the definitions of surface area and volume. Clear? Okay. Now surface area of cuboid. We know that cuboid have 6 faces. First we discussion cuboid. Cuboid have cuboid have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges. Cuboid have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges. If we draw the diagram of cuboid, then we draw 2 rectangular shape. Then join the vertexes. Suppose length of cuboid is L and breadth is represented by B and height is represented by H. Cuboid have 6 faces. A, B, C, D is face. Similarly, E, F, G, H is also a face. H, D, C, G is also face. C, G, F, B is also a face, and B, F, E, A is also a face. So cuboid have 6 faces, 8 vertex, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the vertex of cuboid. These are the vertex of cuboid. So cuboid have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges. Which edges? A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D, then A, E, B, F, F, G, C, G, G, H, H, D, H, E, E, F, G, F. These all are the edges. H, D, G, C. So cuboid have 12 edges. Cuboid have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex. First we write face area of cuboid. Because cuboid have rectangular faces, so face area of cuboid is equal to area of rectangle. It means length multiply breadth. Face area of cuboid is length multiply breadth. Then total surface area. This is known as TSA. That is 2 multiply LB plus BH plus HL. आपको इस शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लर्न रखना है. 2 multiply LB it means length multiply breadth plus breadth multiply height plus height multiply length. So total surface area of cuboid, it means this is known as TSA. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to twice into LB plus BH plus HL. Then volume. Volume of cuboid is equal to L multiply B multiply H is equal to LBH. Volume of cuboid is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height, that is known as LBH. Then diagonal. Diagonal of cuboid is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square. Diagonal of cuboid is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square. So these are the 4 formulae related to cuboid. Face area of cuboid, length into breadth, total surface area, it means TSA, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, and volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H, that is LBH, and diagonal of cuboid is equal to square root of L square plus B square plus H square. तो ये cuboid से related फॉर्मूले हैं जिनको आपको लर्न रखना है. Cuboid have 6 faces. Now next, cube. Second is cube. Cube also have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges. Okay, what is difference between cube and cuboid? Cube have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges, but what is the difference between cube and cuboid? See the diagram. Because cube and cuboid both have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges. AB is L. So BC is also L and EB is also L. Cube have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges. What is the difference between cube and cuboid? Cuboid have rectangular faces, but cube have square faces. Cube have square faces. This is the main difference between cube and cuboid. Cuboid have rectangular faces, cube have square faces. So face area of cube, it means area of square, that is side square, that is side multiply side is equal to side square. Then total surface area of cube is equal to 6 multiply side square, that is 6 side square. This is also known as TSA. TSA of cube is 6 multiply side square is equal to 6s square. Then volume of cube. Volume of cube is, it means side multiply side, that is known as side cube. Volume of cube is equal to side multiply side is equal to side cube, and diagonal of cube is equal to root 3 multiply side, that is root 3 multiply s, root 3s. So these are the some formulas related to cube. Cube have 6 faces, 8 vertex and 12 edges. The difference between cube and cuboid is cuboid have rectangular faces, but cube have square faces. Then face area of cube, it means side square. Total surface area of cube 6 multiply side square is equal to 6s square. Volume of cube is side cube, and diagonal of cube is root 3 multiply side. So these are the some formulas related to cube and cuboid. So difference of cube and cuboid is clear. So surface area and volume of cube and cuboid, this is the first topic of new chapter. New chapter is surface area and volume. In this first we study surface area and volume of cuboid, then surface area and volume of cube. The difference of cube and cuboid is very simple. Cuboid have rectangular faces and cube have square faces. Number of vertex, number of edges and number of faces both have same. Okay. Now we start exercise 16.1. Okay. First question is that the dimension of a cuboid are 12 cm, 9 cm, 5 cm. Dimensions means sides. It means length, breadth and height. Here length of cuboid is 12 cm, then breadth 9 cm and height is 5 cm. Length, breadth and height. Find the total surface area of cuboid and its volume. Because TSA of cuboid is equal to twice into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to twice into total surface area of cuboid is twice into LB plus BH plus HL, that is length multiply breadth, 12 multiply 9 plus 9 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply 12 is equal to 108 plus 45 plus 60, that is twice of 108 plus 105, that is 2 multiply 113 is equal to 226. 2 into 213. 105 plus 105, that is 213, that is 426 centimeter square, because in this question units given in centimeter. So total surface area of cuboid is 426 centimeter square. TSA of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the TSA of cuboid. In this question we want to find volume also. Find the total surface area of cuboid and its volume, because volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. Volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. So 12 multiply 9 multiply 5, 108 multiply 5, that is 540 centimeter cube. 540 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cuboid. We know that volume of cuboid is LBH. So L multiply B multiply H, that is 12 multiply 9 multiply 5 is equal to 540 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cuboid. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is the edges of 3 cubes are 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 1 centimeter. After melting these cubes is a new cube is formed. Find the total surface area of new cube. Okay. In this question 3 cubes have edges 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So volume of first cube, we have 3. Volume of first cube is side cube is equal to, first cube have side 8 centimeter. So 8 cube is equal to 512. Then volume of second cube have side is 6. 6 cube, it means 216. Then volume of third cube is also side cube, that is side is 1 is equal to 1. So volume of new cube is 512 plus 216 plus 1 is equal to 729. This is the volume of new cube. Okay. In this question we want to find out volume of new cube and side of new cube. In this question what are given? Sides of 3 small cubes are given. Edges means side. Side of 3 small cubes are given. We want to find a new cube after melting 3 small cubes. ये जो 3 स्मॉल क्यूब्स हैं इनको मेल्ट करवा के अपन क्या करेंगे, एक न्यू क्यूब बनाना चाह रहे हैं, जो कि इनसे क्या होगा, बिग होगा, क्योंकि कंप्लीट 3 स्मॉल क्यूब्स को अपन मेल्ट करवा के एक कंप्लीट कंबाइंड न्यू क्यूब बना रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ न्यू क्यूब. So in this question find the total surface area of new cube after melting. Okay, for total surface area, for finding total surface area of new cube, first we find side of new cube. Okay, so volume of new cube, it means s cube is equal to 729, that is side of new cube, side of new cube is equal to cube root of 729, and cube root of 729 is 9. Cube root of 729 is 9 because 9 cube is 729. 9 cube is 729. We want to find out TSA, total surface area, because TSA of new cube is equal to 6 multiply side square is equal to 6 into 9 square is equal to 6 into 81, that is 486 centimeter cube. This is the total surface area, so we write centimeter square. Total surface area of new cube is 486 centimeter square. So we use this method for finding total surface area of new cube. In this question, what are given? Edges of 3 small cubes are given, 8, 6 and 1. So first we find volume of first cube, then second and third cube, then volume of new cube, because we want after melting 3 cubes we make a new cube. जो 3 स्मॉल क्यूब्स हैं इनको मेल्ट करवा के अपन एक न्यू क्यूब बना रहे हैं. ओके, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ न्यू क्यूब इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ फर्स्ट प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ सेकेंड प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ थर्ड क्यूब, दैट इज 729 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब इज साइड क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 729. सो साइड ऑफ न्यू क्यूब, ये जो न्यू क्यूब जिसका वॉल्यूम 729 है, इसकी जो साइड होगी वो क्या होगी? क्यूब रूट ऑफ 729, दैट इज 9 सेंटीमीटर. बिकॉज TSA ऑफ न्यू क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 6 मल्टीप्लाई साइड स्क्वायर, दैट इज 6 इंटू 9 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 6 इंटू 81, 486 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ न्यू क्यूब. Total surface area of new cube is 486 centimeter square. Clear? Now question number 4. Some students ask question number 4. Question number 4. Each face area of cube is 100 centimeter square. Each face area of cube is 100 centimeter square. If parallel surface of base cut the cube in 2 equal parts, then find total surface area of each equal part. Okay, because each face area and face area of cube is what? Side square. Face area of cube is side square is equal to 100 centimeter. So side of cube, it means S is equal to square root of 100 is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the side of cube. In this question, what is given? Given is face area of cube, each face area. Okay, each face area of cube is 100 centimeter square. Okay, so we know that side square, face area of cube is side square is equal to 100 centimeter square, that is side of cube square root of 100 is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, second condition is the parallel surface of base cut the cube into equal parts, then find the total surface area of each part. Okay, after base cut the cube in two equal parts, after cut the base, then after cut the base of cube we get cuboid, after cut the base, then length of cuboid, it means L, because side of cube is 10 centimeter, so length is also 10 centimeter, then breadth, it means B is 10 upon 2 is equal to 5 centimeter, and height of cube is H is also 10 centimeter. According to question, cube is cut in the parallel of base. If parallel surface of base cut the cube in two equal parts, so after cut the base we get cuboid, then length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 10 upon 2, that is 5 centimeter, and height is also 10 centimeter, because TSA of cuboid is equal to twice into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 2 into 10 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply 10 and plus 10 multiply 10. 2 into 50 plus 50 plus 100 is equal to 2 into 200, that is 400 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of equal part, each part, total surface area of each part is equal to 400 centimeter square. 400 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of each part. So we solve this question by using this method. First we find side of cube, because in this question side is not given. In this question what is given? Face area of cube is given. Face area. We know that face area of cube is side square, so side square is equal to 100. That is side of cube, it means S is 10 centimeter. And after cut the base, length of cuboid L is 10 centimeter, breadth is 10 upon 2, that is 5 centimeter, and height 10 centimeter. Because TSA, total surface area of cuboid, is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. We put the values and after simplify we get total surface area of each part is equal to 400 centimeter square. Okay. Then some students ask question number 6. The sum of length, breadth and height of cuboid is 19 centimeter. What is given in question? Sum of length, breadth and height. Sum of length, breadth and height is 19 centimeters. Okay. Second condition is, and length of its diagonal is 11 centimeter. Length of diagonal is 11 centimeter. Find the total surface area of cuboid. Find the total surface area of cuboid. In this question we have two conditions. First condition is sum of length, breadth and height. Sum of length, breadth and height is 19 centimeter. And second condition is length of diagonal is 11 centimeter. Length of diagonal is 11 centimeter. Okay. We know that length of diagonal is square root of L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 11 centimeter. So two conditions are given in this question. First condition is L plus B plus H 19 centimeter and length of diagonal is 11 centimeter. By squaring both sides, L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 11 square, that is 121. L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 11 square, that is 121. Okay. By equation first, by squaring both sides, L plus B plus H whole square is equal to 11 whole square. By squaring both sides, we get L plus B plus H whole square is equal to 19 square. We know that x plus y plus z whole square is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So we use identity. L square plus B square plus H square plus twice LB plus twice BH plus 2HL. This is the whole square of L plus B plus H. Then 19 square is 361. That is L square plus B square plus H square. 2 is common. LB plus BH plus HL is 361. By equation 2, we have value of L square plus B square plus H square is 121. So L square plus B square plus H square is 121 plus twice of LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 361. That is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 361 minus 121 is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula of TSA of cuboid. TSA of cuboid. So total surface area. In this question we want to find out total surface area of cuboid. So TSA of cuboid is equal to 240 centimeter square. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, इसको अपन क्या राइट कर सकते हैं? TSA ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. TSA ऑफ क्यूबॉइड ही फाइंड करना था अपने को. सो TSA ऑफ क्यूबॉइड इज इक्वल टू 240 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of cuboid, that is 240 centimeter square. So we use this method for solving question number 6. In this question, two conditions are given. First condition is sum of length, breadth and height. Okay, L plus B plus H 19 centimeter. Second condition is length of diagonal is 11 centimeter. So we know that length of diagonal is square root of length L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 11. By squaring L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 11 square is equal to 121. By squaring both sides. By equation first, Equation first, by squaring both sides, so L plus B plus H whole square is equal to 19 square by squaring both sides. Then we use identity x plus y plus z whole square. So we get L square plus B square plus H square 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 19 square is 361. By equation second, L square plus B square plus H square is 121 by equation second. L square plus B square plus H square is 121. So we get 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 361 minus 121, and this is the formula of TSA of cuboid. So total surface area of cuboid is equal to 240 centimeter square. Okay, clear? Okay, then question number 11. Some student ask question number 11, that is also important questions. 5 meter, 30 centimeter and 3 meter are length, breadth and height of a wall respectively. In this question what are given? Length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height of a wall are given. How many bricks of dimension? How many bricks of dimension will require to make a wall? So first we write the values given in question. Okay, length of wall. Length of wall how many? 20 centimeter, sorry 5 meter. 5 meter. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Then breadth of wall is 30 centimeter. Then height. Height of wall is capital H, that is 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. First we make in the same unit. डायमेंशन को अपन पहले सेम यूनिट के अंदर चेंज करेंगे, सेंटीमीटर अदरवाइज मीटर में भी चेंज कर सकते हैं अपन. ओके, सिमिलरली डायमेंशन ऑफ ब्रिक्स, लेंथ ऑफ ब्रिक, it means small l, that is 20 centimeter. Breadth of brick is represented by B, that is 10 centimeter. And height of brick H is 7.5 centimeter. These values are given in this question. We want to find out how many bricks required to make a wall. एक कंप्लीट वॉल के लिए अपने को कितने ब्रिक्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी? सो नंबर ऑफ ब्रिक्स इज इक्वल टू number of bricks is equal to volume of wall divided by volume of a brick. That is, because dimension of wall are represented by capital L, capital B, capital H, so capital L B H divided by small l b h is equal to 500 multiply 30 multiply 300 divided by 20 multiply 10 multiply 7.5. First we change the 7.5. So we can write 75 upon 10, and that is Okay. After change the decimal value into complete value 7.5, it means change into 75 upon 10. 10 cancelled by 10, then 25, 3 ja 75, 25 2 ja 25 to the 50 and 1 0, then 20 cancelled by 20, and 3 10 ja 30, that is 10 multiply 300, that is 3000. So number of bricks is equal to 3000. So for complete the wall we require for 3000 bricks. How many bricks? Total 3000 bricks we require. So in this question, length, breadth and height of wall are given, and length, breadth of height of a brick are given. We want to find out number of bricks, so volume of wall divided by volume of a brick, that is volume of a wall, it means LBH, and similarly volume of a brick is also LBH. So we put the values, and by simplification we get number of bricks 3000. Clear? So you complete this exercise 16.1, and if you have any confusion, any doubt, any problem, you can call and you can WhatsApp. Okay, thanks.